Introducing the Cuisinart All Foods Rollaway Portable Gas Grill with Rolling Cart. The powerful gas grill that's large enough for cooking at home, but ultra portable for taking on the road. Set up for this versatile gas grill is a breeze. Just roll it to your desired location, lift and guide the grill to its cooking height, and lock it into place. Open the lid and slide out the two stainless steel side tables and you're ready to grill. And just like your favorite sports stars, the All Foods Rollaway Gas Grill will perform best under pressure. The bigger the game, the better the performance. With its 15,000 BTU stainless steel burner, 245 square inch cast iron cooking grate, and precision temperature gauge, this grill will impress your fellow tailgaters with its power and ability to cook a wide variety of foods. The Rollaway Gas Grill is also the perfect portable grill for your weekend family camping trips. The large wheels allow for easy transport over the more rugged terrain you may find at campsites. And while the grill is compact enough to fit in your car with your equipment, it offers ample grilling space for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Grilling at the beach has never been better. No other gas grill could move so easily through the sand and still deliver the cooking performance promised by the Cuisinart All Foods Rollaway Gas Grill. Whether you're grilling for 2 or 20, you can be assured this grill will ignite easily and reach ideal grilling temperatures within minutes. Packing up the Rollaway couldn't be easier. Simply release the lock and the spring-loaded leg assembly gently collapses your grill for transport and storage. And unlike large, full-sized grills, the Rollaway easily moves from place to place at your home, so you can always cook where the action is. The Cuisinart All Foods Rollaway Gas Grill. Finally, a portable grill that's made for real grilling connoisseurs who want to be at the center of the party. And with a trusted name like Cuisinart, you know that this grill will deliver a great grilling experience anywhere.
Secret. This pizza wasn't made in a wood-fired brick oven. It wasn't made in an oven at all. I made it in my kitchen stove in just 3 minutes. Pizza is the original fast food, and I really love to share it with my friends. But making pizza at home is very time-consuming, and the results are never the same as in my favorite pizza place. Nothing kills the mood faster than hungry guests. So why are we still making pizza at home in ovens, which takes forever to preheat? That's not fast food, and the party will be over before you even make one good pie. When I went on a mission to make the best possible pizza in the shortest amount of time, Iron8 was born. Iron8 is designed to skip an oven altogether, so you can make your pizza straight on your kitchen stove or range. In under 10 minutes, Iron8 can heat up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, just like commercial pizza ovens. No more waiting 30+ minutes for your oven to preheat, heating up your apartment, and wasting all that energy. The cover is designed to quickly soak up the energy from your stove and radiate intense heat into the crust and toppings to ensure evenly cooked pizza in just 3 minutes. The bottom end of Iron8 is made out of special steel that can hold as much energy as brick oven, and it conducts heat way better, so you get those perfect charred spots on the bottom of your pizza. You can turn even a frozen supermarket pizza into a star of your party with Iron8. Iron8 is handmade in Europe. It's made out of heavy-duty steel, which prevents wrapping and is virtually indestructible. It's all natural, coated only with vegetable oil to prevent it from rusting and provides a non-stick surface. It's made to last a lifetime. We tested Iron8 with all common heat sources. It works great on electric, glass, induction, or gas stoves. You can even use it on your grill or campfire. Have you ever made a gourmet pizza while camping? Now you can. And it's not intended just for pizza either. High-carbon steel is superior to stainless steel, aluminum, or even cast iron. It can hold more energy and radiates more heat, so that sous vide steak will get a perfectly seared finish. The cover can be used as a baking steel. For those rare occasions, you'll still want to make your pizza in an oven, providing a scorching hot surface that emulates a wood-fired brick oven.
Pizzazz Plus Rotating Pizza Oven. It's the fast and easy way to bake fresh or frozen pizza, thin or rising crust. Plus, it prepares convenience foods like frozen chicken wings, jalapeno poppers, fish fillets, egg rolls, and more. The Pizzazz Plus features a rotating tray that turns continuously for even baking. While ordinary ovens are heating, you're eating. No need to preheat. Simply set the timer and it begins to bake. The top and bottom heating elements bake food from both sides, quickly and evenly, and they're separately controlled. Select the top, bottom, or both elements for perfect results every time. Use the bottom element to make a crispier crust, or the top element for a bubblier topping. And with the open oven design, it's easy to see when the pizza is done just the way you like it. The timer signals when cooking time is complete and automatically turns the heating elements off. With the non-stick baking pan removed, cleaning and storage is easy. The Pizzazz Plus doesn't heat up your kitchen and can save as much as 60% in energy compared to a conventional oven. Chicken nuggets, quesadillas, grilled sandwiches, even cookies and cinnamon rolls.